Recently, we saw a sharp fall from 11,000 levels. This was mainly because of the sell-off in the US market. Today, we started off the session with a downside gap again, and index corrected below 10,550 during the day. However, we saw some fresh buying interest coming in from the support zone of 10,500, 550 levels. This resulted index rallying towards 10,700 on the closing basis today. If you look at the FNO space activity in the recent fall, we did not see any major shorting in index. In today's recovery, fresh longs were formed in case of Nifty. In case of Bank Nifty, we saw decent short covering today. If you look at the options activity, the call writers of 10,700 to 11,200 strike unwound their positions. At the same time, we saw fresh writing in 10,500 to 10,700 call options. If you look at the banking index as well, today we saw this index rallying nearly 700 points from the lows, and it took a good support from the 50% retracement in the daily chart. At the same time, if you look at the candles of today's session, it has formed a bullish angle frame in the daily chart, which is again a very bullish indication. So looking at the overall data, I believe we may see extension of recent up move in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. One should trade with a positive bias. In case of Nifty, we expect Nifty to rally towards 10,900, 950 going ahead. And in case of Bank Nifty, we can see 27,300, 400 levels once again. So one can maintain a bullish stance on the market. Now, if we talk about the stocks ideas, from banking space, we are liking Bank of Baroda. If you look at the daily chart, despite fall in last two sessions, we did not see this counter any sell-off in this counter. In fact, it was quite stable in last couple of days. Now, if you look at the overall chart, it concluded the session today above the 89 EMA in the daily chart. Apart from that, it also had a resistance at 117 levels, which it surpassed and has concluded above that levels. So looking at all these things, I believe we may see extension of today's move in couple of sessions going ahead. So one can go long in this for the target of 127, 128 and maintain a stop loss of 112. Apart from this, we are liking McDowell's. McDowell's, we saw a sharp recovery today from the trendline support zone. Apart from this, if we look at the overall data, it was consolidating in a range. As of now, it is trading at a very good level. So one can go long in this counter also with the target of 660, 670 and maintain a stop loss around 588.